Take a look at me. Take a good glance at this beauty in front of your screen. Like, are you dumb? Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle, if you do not already know. And today I tried a TikTok trend. I've seen this trend online for a long time, and I've been so skeptical about doing the makeup trend, but I'm just like, you know what? Let's just try it. There's no harm in trying, you know. So this is the trend right here. This was the makeup look I saw, and I was like, oh my goodness, how did she do that? How is her makeup looking so flawless? And you know, your girl decided to try it. Look at me. Look at this makeup. Look. Take a look at me. A good glance at this beauty in front of your screen. Like, I tried the trend, and you guys, my makeup has never been this flawless, I promise you. Yeah, basically I followed her step by step in her makeup process, and I turned out looking this good. If you want to see each and every process of me following her, you know, keep watching this video so you don't tune out. Before we get right into this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends, tell another friend about this channel today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So basically, from the intro that you guys listened to, you guys already know this is going to be a viral TikTok trend try. I'm not going to lie and say I'm trying this trend for the first time. This is the second time I'm trying it. The first time was me wearing it to a wedding, and trust me, when I was trying this trend, I was so scared that I would probably look like a ghost when I get there, and people would be looking at me weird. But you know, it came out good, and I decided to come on my channel to try it for you guys, and let's just see if this second try is going to be better than the first one. Yeah, most of the product I'm going to be using today are new. I've not used them before. I'm going to be using them for the first time, so scream at me if the thing is coming out too much. Don't shout my name, please. Caution, caution, caution. We'll be putting the TikTok video right here. I'm not sure, wherever it fits on the screen, it would be put there. I'm going to be following her step by step turnout of this makeup look. Lord help me, this makeup is going to come out beautiful and well. All right, let's get into this. This is screen record.
First, I'm gonna go in with a primer. So this is the Max Strobe Cream Primer. I guess
so I do not have the Max Strobe Cream Primer. I'm going to be using the Milk Primer. I have never used this primer before, but I have heard a lot about it. You can see still in the box, it's got it. So I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer.
Thick because I have really dry skin, so that's why I use this.
I do not have dry skin. I have combination skin, so I tend to be dry in some areas and really oily in some areas. She used a really bright concealer for her under eye, and she hasn't put her foundation. She hasn't even done her brows, girl. I think I want to do my brows first and do this. So I have done my brows and I'm back. I'm going to be using, because according to her video, she didn't really say it, but obviously she used a very bright not very bright, but at least 2 shades lighter than her skin tone, using my Born This Way concealer in the shade Caramel. Concealer right here.
You just want to put it here and then here. And yes. Then you just want to go in on your chin and on your cupid's bow and a bit on your nose. So you want to do like this. And this concealer is the Too Faced in shade Warm Sand. So obviously this is the secret of what I do when concealing. I go in with the Fit Me foundation in shade Warm Coconut, and I'll show you where I put it. So I get this precision concealer brush. So you want to do this to your other eye. I'm going to do this on camera with you guys. You want to put this much on your eye, just here.
To a concealer in the shade Chestnut, and this concealer is almost my skin shade, but not really. Tell me why every time I decide that I want to do something good, my camera decides to just be very silly. But I will just explain what I did. According to what she did, put, I think you guys already saw the process of me putting the concealer on my eye. The bright one at the corner of my eye and at the edge, and I just a tone lighter than my skin. I used the concealer right in the middle to just fill up the gap, right? And after I did that, I used this brush to blend it in a tapping motion. So I was doing this. I was just doing this until it became this flawless, right? And after I did that, I used this brush to just, you know, tap around it to make it look, you know, more blended. Oh, I'm so angry. So now we're in the part 3 of her video.
Like this product, obviously, hopefully I like
You
it
look
today.
crazy. We actually
we're gonna basically go under my nose and my cheeks and a bit on my forehead, and yeah. So I'm going to use a beauty blender.
I don't know if I want to do that. So use it directly since mine is a stick. Hers is more liquidy, which is why she has the opportunity to do that. Mine, it's a stick, so I'm just apply it on my face the regular way to contour, because I don't think she did anything special in her contouring. So I'm going with my Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Espresso. Here, like 2 dots each. Don't want too much. Basically, her baking, she used a really light setting powder. So I just got this Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread.
Okay.
To bronze our face with our bronzer, the Mocha Mami, and that's what she used in her video thing.
And just like dab it in a bit. Obviously it's very harsh, so you want to actually take your time.
TARTE in the shade Shape Tape, and I'm just going to be packing the product like she did. It's gonna look like that. Let's brush out powder. Little, I think I'm looking very crazy right now. Let's go on. I'm just going to brush up my face to see if this will look a tad bit seamless. Okay, I'm good. I feel better. I think I feel better now. With my, it's not really a blush palette. It's just my eyeshadow palettes from Juvias Place. Pink right here, and this orange.
Blush just makes you feel so. All right.
I think she wants to do anything on her eyes, but I want to do something on my eyes. It's just something very neutral and nice, basically as my eyeshadow today. Brushing them. I'm going straight in there. I'm not doing anything more than that. Just bringing it out. Go ahead and set my face because she already set her face. I already went behind the camera to get my eyes done. So I'm just going to set my face and then back into my lips. So let's set it. I'm just filling my lips with it. So she's filling in her lips with an eyebrow pencil. I use Chestnut. So she went into blending her lip liner. A brush.
The lip combo. So I use this Kiko lip gloss in lip volume. You can find that in the like lip plumping section. And then I mix it with the Kiko in shade 3D Hydra in 6. And I put this one first.
She used this way lighter than this. This looks a little bit more deeper in purple, but this is the closest I could find to that. So we're gonna use it. We're not going to. She used 2 lip glosses. I'm going to use this one and a clear lip gloss, basically. I really think this is what it is. The makeup actually looks good. So I'm going to go behind the camera and finish up, just get ready and come back and give you my review on this makeup. If it's for me, if it's not for me, I would let you guys know in a second. So I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, this is me. My makeup is done. It's finished. If I keep looking here, just know that I'm admiring myself because this beauty is a lot. You know what I'm talking about. So basically, guys, I am done with my makeup and this is the turnout of the challenge. I was very nervous, as you guys could see in the video. I was not sure this makeup was going to come out the way it did. I mean, when they say trust the process, trust the process. Guys, I look so beautiful, really good. I love it. I'm not mad at it. You came out really good. You guys, tell me in the comment section. Tell me, just give me your opinion about this makeup. Hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial or challenge tutorial. I don't know if you guys learned anything. I hope you did. So if you actually did, let me know down in the comment section. I would want me to post videos like this, trying out trends for you guys and seeing if it's worth it or if it's not. Let me know down in the comment section and I will try it. Okay, so yeah, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend about this channel today. See you guys in my next one. Stay safe out here. Peace, love, light to my followers and to my friends. All right, bye.